Hi everyone, my name is Krithika Jagannath. I'm a postdoc researcher at the Institute of Human Development at UC Berkeley. In this talk, I'm presenting a paper I co-authored with Professor Katie Salen Bash, titled Beyond Just Rules. We analyzed server rules in online multiplayer gaming servers that were tailored for youth, also known as kid-friendly servers, and found that server rules have unique attributes that reflect the socio-technical features tailored for its audiences, youth in our case, and the server rules reflect positive social behaviors. In short, our work suggests that server rules could be a space for promoting healthy social or pro-social behaviors in online gaming communities. Now, we all understand rules, both in the real world and in online spaces. Much of the HCI research in online community settings underscores the role of rules and social norms in shaping individual and community level behaviors. In games, developers have leveraged rules at the game design level to determine player experiences. Research on online multiplayer games shows that rules operate at two different levels: platform or game design level, and the server level or socio-technical level. We build on prior work and posit that a better understanding of server rules could help us improve player experiences in online multiplayer games, in our case particularly for youth. But why does this matter? Young people love to play. We could all agree that play is one of the most natural developmental activities through which children learn social relationships. For many young people today, play is in online spaces with games like Minecraft and Roblox, and they will describe to you that video gaming is their passion and that they love meeting other young people and people in general from all over the world. So the context of our study is Minecraft, which is an open world sandbox style game, Lego-like game that supports endless creativity that is increasingly popular among many young kids today. I situate my research in human-computer interaction and draw from the perspectives from the field of developmental science and prior work on digital play. I'm on a mission to help create kid-friendly virtual playgrounds that are safe and developmentally appropriate for young adolescents. In the paper, we set out to answer the broad question of what might server rules reveal about the kinds of play communities that these gaming servers envision for its young players. In other words, are the server rules in kid-friendly servers unique in any way, and if so, how? So we sampled 60 in the wild moderated Minecraft servers that self-described themselves in different ways, be it mature, large networks, general, kid-friendly, family-friendly, and so on. We note that we found 29 servers in our initial sample that describe themselves as kid-friendly. One of the unique attributes of server rules is that they can tell you whether or not the outcome is a permissible or pro-social behavior versus an undesired or antisocial behavior. And what we found is that kid-friendly servers contributed to the maximum number of server rules that are focused on pro-social behaviors. And this is consistent with what the platform defines. So for example, kid-friendly server rules mention that players must be kind to each other, must greet other new players, and help people when they are in need. Using a taxonomy that we generated through the coding system, we classified the 60 servers into three main genres based on their rule sets. And so out of the 29 kid-friendly servers, we found that 19 server rules were truly reflecting kid-friendly design. In other words, these servers care about kid-appropriate or youth-appropriate content. The key takeaways from our work are summarized as follows. So server rules can be designed to reflect the community values. One of the kid-friendly servers, for example, aims to be more inclusive and accept players for who they are. Server rules could be designed to articulate community governance practices. So moderators might clarify to young players that they're not in trouble if the chat filter was triggered, but rather they could reach out to the moderators. And similarly, server rules could be designed to scaffold learning outcomes. For example, helping youth see that most conflict occurs due to misunderstanding, and sometimes it is okay to take a step away from the computer when someone's feeling frustrated. This is important because play is such a vital and natural way through which children express themselves and build social relationships, and much of this takes place in online settings today. With more advocacy in HCI for community-centric design, our work suggests that server rules could help design community-level outcomes and also promote social competencies in young people. I really look forward to more discussion during the conference and want to thank you all for your attention. A huge shout out to my co-author and my mentors and many other reviewers who provided thoughtful feedback that shaped this work. Thank you very much.